Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I'm Kamran Mohsin. I'm going to discuss 20 MCQs of ETA. MCQ number 1. The servant dash the picture on the wall. Option A, hang. Option B, hang. Option B, hung. Now, अगर आप देखें तो हमारे पास ऑप्शन ए गलत है. क्यों? क्योंकि हमारे पास दिस इज प्रेजेंट सिंपल, अगर होता तो हैंग्स होना चाहिए. फिर ऑप्शन ए गलत. ऑप्शन बी हैंग और ऑप्शन सी हंग. तो ऑप्शन नंबर सी इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. हंग इज द राइट वन. MCQ नंबर 2. टू err dash a human. Now, हमारे पास सब्जेक्ट इज द डूअर ऑफ एन एक्शन. सब्जेक्ट में हमारे पास नाउन, प्रोनाउन, इन्फिनिटिव, gerund. Now, noun can be singular or plural. And in pronoun we have I, we, you, he, she, it, and they. Now infinitives, to plus first verb, and it is used as a subject. So when it is used as a subject, it takes singular verb. It does not take plural verb. Same as the case of gerund, verb plus ing form. When it is used as a subject, it takes singular verb. Now here, to err, infinitive is used as a subject, so we have option is the correct one. Is, to err is a human. Now why not was? Because it is a universal statement. It is journal. So when it is journal, we have to use simple present. Option A is the correct one. MCQ number 3. He is prone to dash the same mistake again and again. Now, after preposition, you have to use verb ing form. So here in this sentence, we have prone to, making option D is the correct one. MCQ number 4. Wear dash my pants. We have certain nouns that are always plural. For example, trousers, pants, jeans, shoes, spectacles, glasses, etc. और in simple words, जो चीज़ हमारे पास पेयर में हो, that must be plural. So verb must be plural. So where are my pants? Option number B is the correct one. MCQ number 5. No news dash good news. Now some of the nouns are always singular. वो कौन कौन से है? Scenery, poetry, information, news. These nouns are always singular. तो उसके साथ हम singular verb इस्तेमाल करेंगे. So option number A is the correct one. MCQ number 6. Our infantry dash march forward. तो हमारे पास कुछ nouns हमेशा plural होते हैं. For example, infantry, people, police, gentry, children. हमारे पास ये हमेशा प्लूरल होते हैं. सो इट टेक्स प्लूरल वर्ब. तो हमारे पास यहाँ पर होगा ऑप्शन हैव इज द करेक्ट वन. MCQ number 7. Police dash arrested the thieves. So as I told you that police is a plural noun, and with plural noun we have to use have instead of has. So option number A is the correct one. MCQ number 8. I passed the exam, but the percentage of marks dash not good. Now, यहाँ पर हमारे पास है percentage of marks dash good, not good. Now, after preposition, the noun is plural, not singular, and verb agrees with the real subject, and this one is objective case. After preposition, noun or pronoun must be objective case. So here this one is the real subject, and percentage, luggage, bakery, etc. These are singular. So here we have percentage was not good. MCQ number 9. A sheep dash. Now, clear cut from the sentence. It is clear. Sheep. A sheep. So we are talking about only one. So singular nouns take singular verbs. So a sheep is grazing in the field. Option number A is the correct one. MCQ number 10. A teacher should practice what dash preaches. Now, some of the nouns are common. Gender. For example, we have teacher, student, doctor. Now, it can be male or female. Now, when you do not know whether the teacher is male or female, you have to go for the masculine one. So, a teacher should practice what he preaches. Option A is the correct one. MCQ number 11. Each road dash to the academy. When you have some words in the beginning of a sentence, each, every, someone, anyone, no one. So after these words, verb must be singular. So here option B is the correct one. Each road leads to the academy. MCQ number 12. He heard dash myself, herself, himself, yourself. Now here we have reflexive pronoun. Reflexive. हमारे पास reflexive, self और self at the end of the word आता है. तो हमारे पास reflexive subject plus verb plus reflexive. And reflexive pronoun, the subject and the object must be the same one. Both of these are the same. So he heard, हमारे पास क्या हो जाएगा? Himself हो जाएगा. Option number C is the correct one. MCQ number 13. Dash shall study for the exam. Now यहाँ पर देखिए हमारे पास order of pronoun. So order of pronoun must be हमारे पास second, third and first. Now if you see the options, option A you second, he third and I first. Option A is the correct one. MCQ number 14. Everyone attended the party except dash. After except, let, between, use objective pronoun. Objective pronoun. So here option number A is the correct one. MCQ number 15. I run faster than. Now after then use subjective pronoun. Subjective pronoun. After as use subjective pronoun. So here we have I run faster than he. MCQ number 16. It is dash who am to blame. If you have these verbs is, am, are, was, were. After these verbs, you have to use subjective pronoun. So it is I, option A is the correct one. MCQ number 17. Your house is better than dash. Now, this one, as I told you, after then we have to use subjective pronoun. But here option D is the correct one. Why? Now, your house. Now, it shows possession. So, for possession, the next one must be in position. So, option number D is the correct one. MCQ number 18. Neither of the two girls dash active. If we have the word neither or either, so we have to use singular verb. So, in this sentence, neither of the two girls dash active. So, the option kya hoga? Option A is the correct one. MCQ number 19. I met Catherine dash was returning from school. हमारे पास यहाँ पर इस्तेमाल हुए हैं कुछ अल्फाज who के बाद आपके पास verb प्लस रेस्ट ऑफ द सेंटेंस, और अगर whom आता है इसके बाद सब्जेक्ट प्लस verb plus rest of the sentence. Now here I met Catherine dash was is verb. So हमारे पास कौन सा ऑप्शन होगा? ऑप्शन नंबर A is the correct one. Last MCQs है my friend along with his kids dash doing the work. तो अगर आपके पास subject 1 and then we have along with plus subject 2 plus verb, तो verb agree होगा first subject. Here my subject 1 is singular and subject 2 is plural, so verb must be singular. तो हमारे पास option number A is the correct one. My friend along with his kids is doing the work. Thank you.